Hello my friends, today I have a unique gift for you. There are two indications that higher consciousness is taking place within you. Number one, you will stop worrying in every situation in your life. Number two, meaningful coincidences will start happening in your life, that is meaningful synchronicities. In our higher consciousness activism program, we just take your mind to the field of pure consciousness, that is the field of infinite possibilities, and your mind is soaked with it. Then you will start feeling from your inside that your life is full of miracle. Wow, wow, wow. Namaste.